What I'm holding up right now is the Gasland dual induction cooktop. That means 2 cooking tops. It comes with this user manual and this little red dot thing. Let me show you what this does. The way that an induction cooktop works, it actually works by heating up through a connection with the bottom of the pan. And for that, you need to have a magnetic pan. So they give you this little red dot thing to make sure that your pan is going to be compatible with the cooktop. I think it's a nice thing for them to do. Today, I'm going to be making some healthy tacos. This is Simply Nature organic, 100% grass-fed ground beef from Aldi. And it is one of the best deals that you can get on grass-fed organic ground beef. It's really inexpensive. So if you are like me and your body absolutely loves beef, but you've had a heart attack and you need to restrict the amount of saturated fat in your diet, something like this is just perfect because it's only 7% fat, it's 93% lean, and let's look at the label on it. There are 8 grams of fat per serving, that's pretty good for a hamburger, but only 3 grams of saturated fat per serving. So this is good to go for a person like me. Before we get started, we're going to put a little bit of garlic in the pan. A little grass-fed ghee butter helps cook the garlic and adds some flavor to the finished dish. Let's turn it on. Set the wattage. Set the temperature. And we're good to go. Butter is already melting. One of the unique properties of induction stoves is that they get to temperature very, very quickly. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Now that we've got a little bit of brown in the garlic, time to put in the meat. Get it all broken up, mixed in with the garlic. Right about when I get it cooked to here is when I like to add just a little bit more salt and more black pepper. When it looks like this, it is ready to be eaten. We place a goodly amount of the meat we just cooked into the tortilla. Going to add a little bit of cabbage. That's going to give it a nice crunch. Unlike a chile verde or something, because this is not a traditional taco, I'm going to go ahead and use Sriracha. I absolutely love Sriracha. That is one big taco. Let's dig in. Real quick so that I can finish my dinner in peace, let me finish the video. Let you know that I am grateful to the Gasland people for sending me this particular induction cooktop. I rarely take products for free, but this was a good one. This was definitely a good pull. I'm really, really glad that they offered it to me. And I'm really, really glad that I took it so that I could make this video for you guys today. The meat, the sriracha, the cabbage, the tortillas, everything else I bought with my own money. And in case you're interested in picking up one of these Gasland cooktops, there will be an affiliate link in the information box below this video. I do get a small commission when people click on those video links and buy things. It's how I can afford, well, to eat like this. So until the next time I see you, be sure and hit that like button. Be sure and leave me a comment. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. YouTube loves that. And be sure to go out there into the world and have yourself an absolutely wonderful life. I'm going to finish this wonderful taco. Good.